If you're planning a trip to South India and you plan to stay at an Ayurvedic retreat, this video is going to help you prepare because I'm going to show you a full tour of 2 different types of rooms at the Kerala Ayurveda Health Village. The Health Village is actually considered an Ayurvedic hospital, but you wouldn't know it if you stayed here. It's a beautiful setting on the banks of the Periyar River, and it has 22 rooms across 3 different buildings on the property. Welcome to the Kerala Ayurveda Health Village in Kerala. I am going to show you the outside of my room and in the room. I'm in a deluxe room this time for 3 nights and checking out today to head to the next destination. Okay, so this is the top of the stairs, and that is actually a treatment room. So they combine treatment rooms and accommodations in this one building, and this is my room. Oh, they keep this chair out here to drop or leave medications. Every morning they come with medicated water in a pitcher, so it hasn't arrived yet, it's still a little bit early. So this is 2 twin beds put together. It's a deluxe room. A little desk area. You could see, I haven't turned on the TV, so I really don't know how it works. I mean, if it works or what channels you get. Just a little beautiful drapes. It's very simple. This is a very old building. I don't know how old it is. I'm going to find out, but plenty of storage space here. I use that as like a dresser and cupboards over here. A couple of hangers. So this is it's a pretty basic accommodation, but you really don't need anything fancy over here at the Health Village because it's a health retreat. I don't know what you store in here. I just noticed those cupboards now. Like I said, this is my 3rd day and I'm leaving. So a little hallway, a little storage area over here. I will tell you the air conditioner is loud, and the sound comes from the bathroom. So I close the door. I almost close the door at night because if you close it all the way, no air conditioning gets in here. And it's pretty hot and steamy in the morning. So anyways, here's a bathroom. So this is I think this is a typical Indian style accommodation. You've got a basic sink, basic flush toilet. I think every room has a tub because this is a health retreat, so if you have medicated baths you need to take, they recommend you have a tub here, shower spray, and a standing shower. This reminds me of Bali, Indonesia. You have to turn on the switch here for the hot water an hour before you plan to take the shower, so don't forget to do that. And then make sure you turn it off. So you have to conserve here. So this deluxe room comes with a view. So it is a river view. I'm on the 2nd floor, so I've got even a better view here. I did a little Instagram reel this morning live as the sun was rising, and it was just absolutely stunning. This is the young mango tree, he told me. And my little sitting area, so it's great for 2 people. There's my air conditioning unit, as you can see, making that noise into the bedroom. So it's a little annoying, but if you are not, if you're a light sleeper, you may have some issues, but you do need that AC on during the night with the ceiling fan. People, beautiful. So I'm walking out of my room, and this is the upper hallway. You can now see that the interior of the buildings are so well done, very nice flooring, and very authentic with art displayed throughout. Be careful if you have hip or joint issues. You may want to try and reserve a 1st floor or ground floor room because there are no elevators. Okay, this is my return visit to Kerala Health Village, and I'm at the end of April here. And this is I think this is a standard room with a river view. So in a minute I'm going to open up the window and show you the view. Little vanity area, which I love. And this is actually an upgraded room from the night before. However, you will see that the cabinetry and the shelving is a little old, but very functional. And let me introduce you to the bathroom. And this is about the same size as my last room earlier this month, and except I had an old bathtub which I didn't use, so this is a handheld shower over there. Let me show you. If you have weak fingers or hands, you may struggle a bit to open these windows because the latches are very tight. Oh, there we go. You just push, and there's the view to the river. So this time I'm on the bottom floor. Earlier this month I was on the second floor, which I think they call that the third floor. There's a lot more to the Health Village than just these rooms. You've got yoga, meditation classes, wonderful, authentic food, vegan cuisine from expert chefs. Most of the ingredients come from this garden right here where the herbs grow, and you'll smell the infusion of the herbs in the air. Go to keralaayurveda.biz and choose under resorts the Health Village and tell them I sent you. There's more to come, including detailed videos on treatments in Kerala Ayurveda Health Village and Goa. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next one.